This winter, me and my brother decided to explore the South Goa, and this is just a glimpse of it. This was the day one. We had 3-day trip to explore South Goa, but our journey started from North Goa. So the next morning, we traveled from North to South Goa to explore some hidden beach. There are lots of hidden places to be explored in South Goa. To reach this place, you can easily get a boat from Palolem Beach. It was our last day in Palolem. We started our morning with a beautiful sunrise. The beach itself is so beautiful with the combination of mountains, small islands, water, and with the calm water and with less crowd. People who are nature lover and like peace and calm environment, then South Goa should be your top priority. With that said, if you like this video, press the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.